In this video, watch how to make smooth curves and folds with cardboard. At the end, I will show you how to make these smooth edges and this hinge joint with mount board. So these are the net of the 3D forms that you have seen. This one is the hollow hexagon, this one is the cylinder, the curved sign shape, this is the pyramid, and this is the step shape. Okay. So now I'll show you the pyramid and the cylinder. To fold the edges, I usually use this tool. This is a steel ball tipped one. So the idea is to mark the surface so that the flaps or the surfaces fold along it. So what I do is that I just hold the tool along the line and then just press it, just like I will do with a cutter. If you don't have this tool, you can use the end of a cutter or even the blunt end of a pencil. Okay, so I've got it all marked out. So now to fold, I'll just fold along the edge. You could even use a scale to guide yourself. So now if you notice, the flaps, they are not exactly meeting right till the edges. If I had done that, the flaps would have been meeting and intersecting and it wouldn't have fit together properly. You can see here. So that's why you just leave a little bit of spacing at the edges. So now to glue it together, I'm gonna use Fevicol, but something like an all fix I found works much better. This is a thicker paste glue, and I will use this for the next model. For now, I will show you with Fevicol. So with Fevicol, you do not directly apply it right from the bottle. You have to take it out on something like a cardboard piece, and you have to apply it with any wooden stick, anything that you can even use. You can use a cardboard piece if you like. The idea is to spread the glue and not just leave it as a thick paste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the glue, I'm going to apply at the surface. Now you don't have to worry about the glue at the edges because you are already spreading it right now, so the chances of it coming out are quite less. Now to hold this in position, I will just use a tape. This is a paper tape. You can even use a scotch tape if you have one. Okay, so that's pretty much it. To cut a cylinder, we have to make some marks at the back side so that this can curve properly. So I'll be making some markings at an even distance. can see it now folds very smoothly. Now I'll attach this strip at the end so that you can glue these two pieces together. To fold mount board, simply marking at the back does not help. You have to cut a 3 mm channel so that it folds neatly. It depends upon the thickness of the material. So here it is 1.5 mm, so I'm taking 2 times of it and making a channel width. If the thickness is 2 mm, you have to do it as a 4 mm channel and so on. To make the channel, you just have to mark 3 lines and cut it just enough so that you don't go through the surface. After done marking the surface, you have to move your blade over so that you can take out the material. After done cutting the channel, just check the fold. For the hinge cut, you have to make a stroke with the blade which is deep enough so that you can fold it on the back side but it does not tear out. To do so, you have to just mark the line with your blade 2 to 3 times and check it again and again just to make sure that you have gone deep enough. So that's it for cutting mount board. See you in the next video.